Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal for a UK limited company. First, ensure your limited company is officially registered with Companies House, possessing a unique company registration number. Simultaneously, open a dedicated UK business bank account under your company's legal name, as this is essential for linking. Gather your company's full legal name, registered address, and details of all directors and significant shareholders, preparing for a smooth application process. Begin by navigating to the official PayPal website and selecting the business account option to start registration. Crucially, choose Limited Company as your business entity type when prompted, ensuring accurate classification. Input all your company's details, including its full legal name and registered address, precisely matching your company's house records. You will also provide your personal information as the primary account administrator for verification purposes. PayPal will require verification to confirm your identity and the company's legitimacy, a standard security measure. Be prepared to upload clear copies of documents like director identification, proof of registered address, and your company's certificate of incorporation. Next, securely link your dedicated UK business bank account to your new PayPal account. Verification usually involves PayPal sending one or two small, temporary deposits, which you will confirm on their platform. Once all verification steps are complete, your PayPal business account will be fully activated and ready for use. Take time to configure your account settings, setting up your preferred payment methods and notification options. It is also important to understand PayPal's fee structure for business transactions to manage your costs effectively. You can then integrate PayPal into your website, invoicing, or e-commerce platform, enabling secure payments from your customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.